This is the Conqueror 21 piece mini toolkit, and it's has among one of the nicest cases that I've seen. I was surprised how small it is. I'll just do some quick measurements so that you see that. That's the measurement. When you put it up against something like the Tool Check Plus, this is the Tool Check Plus. This is the Conqueror. I mean, it's completely covered. Not to mention, this is the Icon. So if you need something that is a really small space and a pretty nice case, you're thinking, wow, this is going to be the thing. Then you open it up, and it has a lot of positives about it. It has the listing of all of the sockets and bits and ratchets and where they're at here. But you also notice this is a really mini kit. It has a minimal of everything. It has 6 sockets, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. That is pretty dang small. And as you can tell, they seem to be 12-point sockets there. Weird lighting here. Let me see if you can see that. 12-point sockets. Obviously 1/4 inch. An extension that is, what, 2 inches? Let's see how long this extension is. Yep, 2 inches, or in metrics, 50 centimeters, or millimeters rather. So that's the extension. For the bits, it has one flat or slotted at 6, 5 Torx, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, a couple of Phillips, 1 and 2, and then hexes, H3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't think that these are super high quality just from holding on to them. They look okay, but they're not. This is a Quinn one. And I would say the Quinns are a little nicer. That's my sense of it. These are going to be a little bit better for use for some people that like the 12-point. This is going to be a little bit better. And they tend to fit, since these are metric, they tend to also fit SAEs a little tighter. But boy, I'm not sure that they're all that good. Now, a lot of people like this ratchet. I think it's 72 tooth ratchet, and they like it because it's got the thumb here. To put it on this particular ratchet, you have to push down on the button, and it does lock it in place. It's got a little knurling on all the sockets right here. I don't know if you can see that little knurling there. And that helps if you're to do a little bit of the sockets to get it started. Goes both directions. And it does lock. If you put this in the center, it does, oh no, nope, it doesn't lock. I thought it did lock, but it doesn't. So you can buy this by itself for I think 18 or 20 bucks. I'm not sure that the whole kit's about 30. Here's another extension for the bits, and the bits go on the other side. And it's magnetic. This seems like your little typical bit extender. that you would find in lots of kits. I don't think that there's anything special about it. Just let me get out my little board here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get out. Here we go. 13 is there. So put that there. I know this is not the right way of doing this. People would do this. I'll do it this way. Let me try it with the extension. That's what it looks like with extension on it. Let me... It's not the smoothest. Well, it's not. It still looks okay, but I can tell that it's been used here. So far, I would consider this to be a pass. It's 30 bucks. There are other ones that are better in this price range for sure, of 30 bucks. Even if you were to get one of the Cobalt ones or something like this Libation, you get more parts, you get for the same amount of money. This is the Conqueror. I would say pass on it unless that there was something that you really needed, something for a very small space. It's not awful. It just doesn't come with enough pieces, is number one. And number two is that the pieces that it comes with are mediocre at best. This is the Conqueror 21 piece, and obviously there's a link below if it's something that you're interested in. And if you want to see more of these tool sets that are competing with the ToolCheck Plus or the Icon, please click up here. Please subscribe. This is Haku, and I'll see you in the future.